Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Lenard Josiah with the National Meteorological Services right here in Antigua and Barbuda. Together, let's take a look at your tropical weather update for today, Thursday, the 7th day of September 2023. Already, you're taking a look at the wider Atlantic Ocean through the lens of what we call the visible satellite imagery. It gives us a snapshot as to the date, light, location of weather systems. And already I'm going to take you right over to Africa, and you're seeing this particular area right here is newly formed. The tropical depression number 14 is forecast to head out to sea, is not forecast to come across us here in Antigua and Barbuda. But closer to home, we're taking a look at Hurricane Lee. This particular feature continues to be the talk of the town for us here in Antigua and Barbuda and the rest of the Leeward Islands. Well, Hurricane Lee continues to move towards the west-northwest. Let's take you closer to it. Here is Puerto Rico. Here is Antigua and Barbuda. Barbados is located here, the Windward Islands and Trinidad and Tobago. You're seeing coming in view Hurricane Lee with its very large expanse of clouds. Already you're seeing the eye located right in the center. Yeah, the eye. As of 11 a.m. this morning, Hurricane Lee had winds in the region of 105 miles per hour on its way to becoming a major hurricane. And the next couple of days we are looking at it, we're going to be keeping a close eye on it. Some of these spiral bandings that you're seeing spinning here, we're hoping that will come across our Twin Island state and give us some nice juicy rainfall. We're going to be keeping our eyes on that. But for right now, a couple of things have worked in our favor. Well, the first one, it took a bob towards the north last night, another bob towards the north again today, and because of that, the track has shifted a little bit more towards the northeast. Here is a spot that highlights Antigua, and here is where it was located this morning as of 11 a.m. It's forecast to move out towards the west-northwest, and as it moves out towards the west-northwest, the closest point that it will pass is just about 200 to 300 miles away. That's certainly good news. Most of the hurricane conditions and the tropical storm conditions are expected to remain well offshore towards the northeast, so we're not looking for wind impacts right here in Antigua and Barbuda. However, we're still hoping for some rainfall. How much rain will fall? There is some uncertainty with respect to that because of the size and eventual path. But we're hoping that some spiral bandings can come across us right here in Antigua and Barbuda and give us some rainfall. But there are some impacts for us to talk about. The major impacts that we will talk about for us here in the Twin Island state and for the Leeward Islands and for the British Virgin Islands in a powerful hurricane setting are dangerous surfs and rip currents, which will impact the shores of our Twin Island state during the course of the weekend. So residents of Antigua and Barbuda, the rest of the Leewards and the British Virgin Islands should be mindful that the waters will not necessarily be friendly for marine operations, neither for sea bathing activities, more so on the northern side of the island chain. Those waters will be dangerous. So we're going to be keeping an eye on Hurricane Lee for the next couple of days. But until next time, join us same time, same place, right here at the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services Media Center for all your weather updates. Until next time tomorrow, I'm saying good afternoon.